In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on notifications in Grok AI. Turning on notifications ensures you never miss a response, especially when you've asked Grok to handle longer or more complex prompts. With this setting enabled, Grok will let you know the moment it finishes thinking, so you can focus on other tasks and come back right when your answer is ready. Start by opening your Grok account. That simply means launching the Grok app or visiting the Grok website and getting into your workspace as you normally do. Once you're in, look for your profile area. It's typically your avatar or initials, usually found in a corner of the screen. Click or tap your profile to open the menu where your personal options live. From that profile menu, go into Settings. You'll recognize it by the name Settings, and in many layouts it's paired with a small gear icon. Settings is where you control how Grok behaves and how it interacts with you, so it's the right place to enable notifications that are specific to the app experience. Inside Settings, find and select Behavior. The Behavior section is designed for preference tweaks, how Grok responds, what it shows, and how it keeps you informed. Opening Behavior will reveal controls that fine-tune your day-to-day experience. Now find the option labeled Notify when Grok finishes thinking, and enable it. This is usually a toggle or switch. When you turn it on, the control should visibly change state, often by changing color or shifting position, so you know the preference is active. That's the key setting that prompts Grok to notify you as soon as it completes its processing on a prompt. With this turned on, you can confidently multitask. Ask Grok to draft a long explanation, analyze data, or assemble code, and then move on to something else. As soon as Grok finishes, you'll get a nudge to return and review the result right away. If the toggle already appears on, you're all set and don't need to do anything else. And if at any point you prefer not to be notified, you can come back to this same behavior section and switch it off just as easily. That's all there is to it. Open your Grok account, go to your profile, enter Settings, choose Behavior,